Hi there. I would like to thank you, Paul, for being here with us today from Yakimson Wealth Management. We're really excited to get down into what we can offer for you and your new company and how we can kind of assist on your marketing journey. So, we are Yakimson Online Marketing. A little bit about me. I will be graduating in a week from LTC, and I will be graduating with my marketing degree. I plan to go on to get my bachelor's degree in marketing from Lakeland after I take a semester off and try to get some more experience out in our community before I embark on that next endeavor. I really have a passion for digital marketing, and I'm pretty involved in the graphic design aspect of marketing as well. So, how our company kind of came to be. I was going through my career at LTC in marketing, and I thought, how can I get the best experience? How can I get to know my community and really get my hands dirty and um, acquire these practical skills that you'll need in any position in marketing? So I actually sought out two people that I knew had a lot of experience and wanted to try something different from their corporate life. And so our developer, he comes to our company with 10 years of experience, and our graphic designer comes to our company with 5 years of amazing experience. So it's great to have those professionals with me working 24/7 that I can bounce ideas off of, ask questions, anything that it may be. So that is how we kind of came to be as a new marketing firm in Sheboygan. So it's been great learning everything that I have from them and them kind of learning more of the marketing side from myself as well. So, a little bit of our overview. A lot of people come to us and we do produce websites for them. That is usually the most common thing that we have. Typically, they will have some sort of website and we will build off of that for them. Um, but we also we offer Google Analytics, and we can monitor any of um, your website, your digital platforms, socials, anything like that for you. We do continue to offer those services for months to sometimes years for different companies, depending on their preference. Something we're really proud of is that we do offer our services at $15 an hour, which, again, this was more of getting practical experience for me and getting to know my community and giving my services um, to potential businesses in the county that are startup companies and they maybe don't have a really large budget at the time. So that's something that we are really happy to offer. And like I said, we do create websites. We have a developer who's on staff with us, so he does all of the coding for those websites, but we do use WordPress to develop those. And then I, as well as our graphic designer, are proficient in Photoshop and Illustrator. We also do specialize in logo creation if that's something that you would need. And we can always update that logo, whatever your preference is, if you want to stray away from that brand image that you may have up to this point. We can create business cards and also do the printing of those business cards, as we have professional services in our office to print brochures or magazines, business cards, whatever it is that you may need. And like I said, we do use WordPress for the creation of those sites. So, a little bit of our work, just from emailing you, Paul, back and forth, and kind of touching on what your goals are, some of your color scheme ideas. This is the logo that I did produce for you guys, just as kind of a rough draft. Again, we can build from here, but I just wanted to show an example of our work so you kind of have something to base it off of. And then I also did want to pull up one of our websites that we have created so you can have an idea of that as well. So we created actually Merzberger Financial Group's website. They are out of Sheboygan Falls. We do actually offer professional photography as well. I kind of do that on the side. If that's something that a business really needs, then we can provide that as well, or they can have the pictures ahead of time and we can just integrate those into their sites or their social. So just to kind of run you through some of the things here, we do have up-to-date socials linked on their page here, and then a way to reach their socials on the bottom. And then you can go through all the tabs here, learn about their team, each individual, some of their insights, what they do at their firm specifically. Contact us. You can also reach out with any questions. We will just go to a team member here so you can kind of take a look. So yeah, it was really great to work with them and kind of get to know the financial industry, and I thought that it would be great to show you that as you're also a financial firm in the area. So when you have time, you can go through their website here and check it out and see what you think. All right, and I know there are some obstacles that may come up or some questions that you may have about our services, and of course we're here to help you and answer any of those questions you may have. So what if you can't afford it? As I stated, we do offer our services at $15 an hour to help with that cost, but we also have payment plans as an option, so you can pay monthly. And then how are we able to effectively communicate in light of COVID-19? I know this is a really interesting time for everyone, but we do utilize GoToMeetings as much as possible so that we can work with you remotely. So we can see each other, we can share each other's screens. It's a really great way that we can work with you still, unless you would rather wait until some of this kind of clears up. That's always an option. And then how do I know it's a quality product? We have great customer reviews on our website that we would love to share with you. And you can reach out to any of our contacts as well and kind of see how they liked working with us and how the process was with that. What if we need to make last minute changes? This is very common, especially in marketing. If it's a design area, ideas change, things come up last second, that's totally okay. We will work with you on that, and we can implement whatever that change is actually at any time, even if we've kind of finished our marketing projects for you. And then what if there are services that we need but you are unable to provide for us? So we are continual learners. Me and my team, we love to just learn and pick up new skills as we go. So if it's something that we think is reasonable that we could do for you, we would love to learn about it. And if we feel confident in our skills in that particular area, then offer those services, or give you a referral to someone else that we know could do those things for you. So just to summarize and some additional remarks, we do offer a very good price in the area, and we're a small company, but we have resources of a large institution and are there for you. We can be there for you remotely or in person as well when we can set those things up. And we really do offer an individualized marketing experience and can give you those design elements that you're looking for your company and how you want to brand yourselves. And we are a great, fun staff. We get along really well, and we have this desire to expand our skill sets and continue to learn. And we can work with you one-on-one, whatever your situation may be, and get all of your goals accomplished. So I really hope that we can work together and set something up sometime soon.